Hey guys, today I'm gonna do some calibration of beans given to me by my friends. Let's start by checking the beans. You can see it's actually medium dark. So I'll be doing a 20 gram dosage with pulling a 40 gram split into 2 cups. I'm gonna start with the grind size at number 8. So here's to show you guys the result of the grinding. After this, let's prepare it to pull the espresso shot. I've just bought a forced temper ripple base. Since I've been using the flat base so far and it's doing quite well, but I like the aesthetic of the ripple base, so I bought it and yeah, it has arrived. So check it out on the next video. Probably I'll be using the ripple base. Do subscribe, leave a like and comment to help grow this channel. Hopefully I'll reach 400 subscribers soon. I've been into chess, so maybe you get a little bit of chess plus coffee in the future video. We'll see how it goes. I've been also baking as well, so looking forward to more variation of my videos. I'm opening my pedal halfway as I pull the shot and waiting for the bar to reach 9 in pressure, and I'll push it more towards the right to open it more wherever the bar reach less than 9. So I achieved 28 seconds on my first pull and it feels high in acidity. So I try to find it on the second shot, which you can see in a second. I find the grounded beans 1.5 point, and here you can see with the same pedal movement as previous shots, I get the first drop at 14 seconds and I finish the shot at 40 seconds. So I found this shot has a medium body with a medium sweetness, medium acidity and medium bitterness. Overall it's a very balanced espresso shots. And well, I'm very happy to get to this point with just 2 pulls. Usually it takes more than 2 pulls. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Ciao.